So, how to reset MS Word settings fast and easy. First, you need to access Windows Registry. Press the Windows key and then the R to open the Run dialog. Then type regedit and launch it. Next, navigate down the path of current user folder. Open the software folder, then open the Microsoft folder. Next, scroll down a bit and open the Office folder. Here you will find a folder with a number. For newer versions of Word, you will see number 16, and for older ones, a lower number. Regardless, open it up. Inside the folder, look for the folder Word and right-click it to remove it by clicking the delete option. This only resets user settings. It won't delete your documents or affect other Office apps. Then confirm the deletion. Now launch Word and it should be clean. Here's what the deletion in the registry does. It resets all Microsoft Word user preferences, removes any corrupted settings that might cause issues, and restores Word to its factory defaults without reinstalling Office. Hope this helps. If you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.